Eating is required. If you don't eat nicely, then body cannot be maintained. But anasakta se jatarha. Eating is required, but not eating too much. Not eating to the taste of the tongue. Unnecessarily eating meat, fish, eggs. Why? You are human being. For you, Krishna has given so much varieties of food stuff. Fruits, vegetables, nice rice, dal, milk, ghee. Why should you go to the meat eating? This is required. Eat like human beings, not like cats and dogs. But eating is not prohibited. That is not our flavor. Don't eat like cats and dogs, but eat like human beings. Similarly, sleeping also. Sleep, you require some rest, but don't sleep 26 hours. Not like that. At most 6 hours to 8 hours, sufficient for any healthy man. Even the doctor says, if anyone sleeps more than 8 hours, he is diseased. He must be weak. Healthy man sleeps at his test 6 hours, that is sufficient. That's all. And those who are tapasvi, they should reduce sleeping only, just like the Goswamis did. Only 1.5 hours, or at most 2 hours. That also sometimes not. Actually, we should reduce this. Nidrahara viharakadi vijito. This is Goswami. Goswami does not mean Godas. Go means senses. And Das means servant. If we keep the title Goswami and become servant of the senses, it is cheating. We must be Goswami. Means we must be master of the senses. Self-control. So what the Goswamis did? Nidrahar viharakadi vidito chattanto dinam chalu. Very humble. And Nidra means sleeping, Ahara means eating, and Vihara means sense enjoyment, Vijito, the conquered one. So, our process is to follow the Goswamis. Ei chai Gosai jar tar muidar. So we should try to follow the Goswamis. We should keep in view what they did. They used to, I will say, pass their time in Krishnat Kirtana Gana Nartana Paro. Krishnat Kirtana Gana Nartana Paro Premamritam Nidhi Dhira Dhira Jana Priyo. Dhira. There are two classes of men in the world. Dhira and Adhura. Adhira. Dhira means saintly persons, sober, those who have controlled their senses, Goswami, and Adhira, just the opposite. So, these Goswamis, 6 Goswamis, they are popular to the both classes of men, Dhira and Adhira. Their character was so sublime, nice, that even in this Vrindavan, when Sanatana Goswami is there, the village men, they would accept Sanatana Goswami as the leader of the village. Actually they are leader. But to pose himself as leader, but cannot control others. Gai mane na apni moro. Not like that. You must able be to lead them. So although Sanatana Goswami was interested Krishna Kirtana Gana Nartana Paro, he was not disinterested with others who are not devotees. They are also interested. Not interested, but sympathetic. They are not interested in material, but the ordinary householders, they would fight, husband and wife, and come to Sanatana Goswami for settlement, and whatever Sanatana Goswami would give judgment, they will accept. They will accept. Here they are very popular, Goswamis, and they are staying sometimes here, sometimes there, sometimes Radhakundu, sometimes. They are not staying in one place. So, our this Krishna consciousness movement, its only aim is how to satisfy Krishna. Method, that is intelligence. What method we should accept so that our this process of or the propaganda of Krishna consciousness may go on very nice. The process should be only to satisfy Krishna, Haritosam. That is the recommended Vedic process. Atapam vidijasreshta varnasrama vibhagasa sanuschitasya dharmasya samsiddhi Haritosam. Samsiddhi means perfection. So perfection, if you want perfection of our activity, then we should try to satisfy by our activity the Supreme Personality of God. You may say that I do not see Supreme Personality of Godhead face to face. How I shall be able to know that I am satisfying or dissatisfying Him? That you can know through your spiritual master. It is not very difficult. If your spiritual master is satisfied, then you should know that Krishna is satisfied. Jasya prasadad bhagavat. There is no difficulty. Jasya prasadad navati kukupi. You cannot satisfy Krishna by dissatisfying your spiritual master. That is not possible. That is not possible. You must satisfy. Jasya prasadad bhagavat prasadad. Do not take the excuse that I do not know God, I do not meet Him, how I shall know that I have satisfied Him or dissatisfied Him? But Shastra says yes, it doesn't matter. Therefore it is called parampara. Parampara. As you receive the knowledge from Krishna, from Arjuna, and from Narada, from Brahma, like that, come down to a spiritual master. Similarly, as you receive the knowledge step by step, one after another, similarly you satisfy also the Supreme Personality of Godhead from this state, this state, this state, this state. This is the process. Just like you come down step by step by step by step, similarly go up step by step by step by step. So this is the process. Bhagavat Tosanam or Haritosanam, also this way, and to receive the knowledge from Bhagavan, that is also parampara system. The parampara system must be maintained, and if it is done nicely, then as it is stated here, Jadatra kriyate, whatever you do, that is for your perfection. If you keep this parampara system, and if you try to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead, then whatever you do, that is perfect. It doesn't matter. The taste is whether Krishna is satisfied, whether your spiritual master is satisfied. Then you are perfect. Thank you very much.